The world's first dog passport was introduced in the 1890s in the United Kingdom. This document was created to regulate the movement of dogs and prevent the spread of diseases such as rabies. It contained essential details about the dog, including its breed, description, and owner's information. Over time, pet passports have evolved, and today, they are widely used for international travel, ensuring that dogs meet vaccination and health requirements before crossing borders. Many countries now issue passports not only for dogs, but also for cats and other pets. These documents simplify travel for pet owners and help prevent the illegal transportation of animals.